Hi everyone, I am Pratishtha and today I am going to make an evening snack. So let's start. So first I am going to add 2 bowl of maida, pinch of salt, then I am going to add 2 spoon of oil, refined oil, and I will mix it. Then I will make a dough with the help of water. Now my dough is ready as it's too soft and fluffy. Here you can see that the dough is ready. It's too fluffy and soft. Now I'm going to add, I will spread some oil on this dough so our dough will not stick on that. And we will keep the dough for rest. We will cover it. So as the dough is ready, so I am going to make the stuffing. So for that I need to boil the potatoes. So first I am going to boil them. As our potato are boiling, so I will cut the green chili and some garlic. So I am taking half green chili. I will cut the garlic. I will cut the onion. Now I am going to cut the onion into small pieces. Now our potato has been boiled. Now I will peel them. Now I am going to add 2 spoon of refined oil in this. Now I am going to add jeera in this. Now I am going to add, I have added the potato. Now I will add salt according to my taste. I will add turmeric for yellow color. And half spoon of garam masala. Now I am going to mix everything together nicely. We have to mix it so that the smell of turmeric and masala powder can go. Now I am going to transfer the potato in the bowl. Now I am going to keep the potato so that they can cool down. Here you can see the texture and the color of the potato. Now I will make a chapati. have to make a big chapati, and it should be smooth also. It should be big. So here our chapati is ready, and I think that our stuffing is all has been cooled down. So now I am going to put the stuffing on this chapati. So for that I am taking a spoon. I will spread it nicely on the whole chapati. I will add little bit of more. I will cover all the corners. Now I will fold this like this. I will fold it nicely. And I will take water to stick this side, then it will not open. So I have taken some water. Now I will cut the corners. And cut this into small pieces. And now I need to keep it like this on my hand and press it and make it in a circular shape like this. Now they are ready. Now I will just fry them in the karai. Now I need to make a ghol in which we need 2 spoons of maida. I am taking a puri. And we need to add lal mirch powder. And we need to add some water. Now I will mix it. Now I will dip these in the bowl like this nicely, and then I will put this in the kadai. Here you can see that I have just put this in the kadai. So here you can see that I have put 4 in this. I will make this in slow gas because when we will make in full gas, the upper layer will cook, but inside portion will not. So we need to turn it. Now I will turn it. So here you can see that it's cooking little bit. Now almost they're cooked, as some of them are getting brown in color. Now our snack is ready. It's ready to serve. I hope that you all liked my video. So let's taste. It's awesome. Here our recipe is ready. It's ready to serve. Thank you.